This is our Scarlett house model here in San Francisco Heights, Calamba. So this is a single attached house and lot. When we say single attached, yung firewall mo nakadikit sa lote nung kapitbahay. Ganyan yung itsura niya. And yung free space mo nasa isang side lang. Yan, so provision siya for your car park. This is a 72 square meter house with 3 bedrooms. So this is a dress up unit. Ayan, pag sabi natin dress up, may mga gamit na siya. Pero hindi to yung turnover niya. Inayos na to for the model house purposes. For viewing purposes lang. Meron na akong separate video for the turnover unit. Kaya if you want to check it, just let me know. Ayan. Ang laki ng pwede mong mga furnitures ay pwedeng ilagay dito. Or kung gusto mo medyo maluwag, di ba? Ito, maganda siya. Kaso lang kung gusto mo maluwag, pwede mo na hindi lagyan ng ganyan. Dito banda ang iyong kitchen area. Then, ito ang nice, oh. Minaximize niya yung area for the dining. O, diba? Ang ganda. Actually, yan, pantry yan eh. So, pwede mong kopyahin. Yun naman yung purpose ng model house para ma-idea yung buyer kung paano ayusin. And of course, we have our restroom dito sa ground floor. Check natin kung paano inayos yung taas. Pre-selling pa to, kaya pwedeng payable ng 18 months yung down payment. Actually, may promo sila. If I remember, pwedeng 24 months to pay na yung DP. Pero, promo nga yun. So, depende kung ano yung maabutan mo during your reservation. And 3 bedroom siya. We have our first bedroom here. If you have a girl or ladies na daughter, pink na pink, diba? Ito mukhang pang boys naman kasi blue siya. Yan, second bedroom, and this is our master bedroom. Kita mo naman, kasya malaking kama na may access door sa CR dito sa second floor. And if you need a sample computation of this property, please let me know.